4 simple tips for setting powerful goals. In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with 4 simple tips for setting powerful goals that will change your life. One of the most important benefits you can gain by setting goals isn't achieving your goals, but rather the person you become on your way to accomplishing them. Goals help us to stretch and grow in ways that we might never have thought possible. The more powerful your goals, the more likely you are to achieve them. Here are some simple tips for setting powerful goals. Tip 1. Evaluate and reflect. The only way you can decide what you want in your life and how you'll get there is to know where you are currently and how satisfied you are with your life. The purpose of the evaluation is to give you an objective way to look at what you've accomplished and to show you where you are so you can figure out where you need to go. Taking a couple of hours every week to evaluate where you are is essential for achieving your goals. Tip 2. Define your goals and dreams. To set powerful goals, you need to determine what it is you really want from your life. To discover this, set aside some time every week to sit quietly and think about what thrills you. On a piece of paper, write down everything that comes to your mind. Don't think of any as too outlandish. Just let your thoughts fly and make sure to record them. Tip 3. Make your goals SMART. To set powerful goals, you have to make sure they are SMART. Making your goals SMART, S-M-A-R-T, means they must be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-sensitive. Tip 4. Have accountability. When someone else knows what your goals are, they can hold you accountable by asking you to update them on your progress in achieving those goals. Without this accountability, your goals are simply not as powerful as they need to be. Goal setting is extremely powerful because it gives us focus. It helps us to shape our dreams and gives us the ability to hone in on the exact things we need to do in order to achieve everything we desire in life. These 4 tips will help you set powerful goals that will transform your life.